Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The best Oculus Blu Ray is probably one of the most sought-after pieces of home entertainment technology, offering a gateway to immersive cinematic experiences that redefine how we watch movies, and if you're looking to upgrade your home theater or dive into the world of virtual reality entertainment, this is the perfect place to start your research. Number 5. JSAUX 4K 60Hz HDMI Extension Cable 3.3 feet. Tired of short HDMI cables? This high-speed extension cable offers a simple solution for longer connections. It's perfect for extending your TV stick's reach to get a stronger signal. Enjoy breathtaking visuals with support for UHD 4K resolution at 60 Hz and HDR. It delivers enhanced brightness and contrast for a truly immersive viewing experience. This cable is incredibly durable, featuring a nylon-braided exterior and a reinforced design that can withstand over 20,000 bends. The premium aluminum alloy casing and gold-plated connectors ensure it lasts for years. Its wide compatibility means you can connect various devices, from TV sticks and gaming consoles to laptops and Blu-ray players, to your UHD TV, monitor, or projector. At 3.3 feet, this cable provides the ideal length to comfortably connect your devices. Enjoy your entertainment from the couch or bed without being restricted by short cables. What we like. This cable is perfect for extending your existing HDMI connection. If you need to get a better signal for your streaming stick or want to connect devices further away, this is a great option. Its durable construction ensures it will last. What people say. This worked great. Seems well made. It works perfectly. The cable quality is really good and very flexible. The HDMI connector fits perfectly. HDMI cable solved the issue of a spotty Wi-Fi reception for the Roku streaming stick. The TV sits in an armoire, so the cable is the perfect solution. Number 4. Cable Matters Active HDMI Repeater. Tired of short HDMI cables limiting your setup? This active repeater allows you to extend your HDMI signal for longer cable runs, connecting your devices to your display with ease. Experience stunning visuals with support for 4K resolution at 60 Hz and HDR. Enjoy vibrant colors and incredible detail for movies, gaming, and VR. Immerse yourself in virtual reality without compromise. This device acts as an HDMI booster, perfect for longer cable runs with your VR headset, ensuring a smooth and uninterrupted experience. Setting up is a breeze with its plug-and-play design. Its portable and lightweight form factor makes it easy to use anywhere, and clear input-output labels ensure correct connection. Save money by avoiding expensive long HDMI cables. This repeater provides a cost-effective way to achieve the extended reach you need for your home theater or gaming setup. Connect a wide range of devices, from Blu-ray players and gaming consoles to computers and VR headsets. It's ideal for extending signals to UHD TVs, monitors, or projectors. What we like. If you're dealing with signal loss over long distances, this repeater is your solution. It's ideal for extending your connection to a 4K TV or for VR headsets like the Oculus. It acts as a signal booster, ensuring a clear picture. What people say. Signal strength at the projector was too weak, so I had problems during video playback. However, when I plugged it in on the projector side of the line, signal was perfect and I have no more issues. Didn't even need to use external power. We were connecting a standard length HDMI cable to a long HDMI cable and the projector was intermittently cutting out. Adding this box into the mix solved that problem. The amplifier gets its power from a USB port on the TV. So far, it has worked great for my 50+ FT passive HDMI cable. Before, it would get signal dropouts, screen would turn black-blue intermittently when watching 4K. But with this device, it has been solid so far. Number 3. Oculus Quest 2 to 64GB VR Headset. Experience virtual reality like never before. Our latest headset boasts a lightning-fast processor and our most advanced display yet, ensuring every movement is captured with incredible precision. Dive into a vast library of games, both new and classic, thanks to backward compatibility. Your next adventure is always within reach, no matter your preference. Get the best seat in the house for live events, cinematic films, and exclusive experiences. It's more than just gaming, it's a portal to new realities. Getting started is effortless. Simply unbox, use the companion app on your smartphone to set up, and you're ready to jump into virtual reality. No PC or console required. Prepare to be amazed by the clarity of our premium display. It offers 50% more pixels than the previous model, bringing every detail to life with breathtaking sharpness. What we like. For a truly standalone virtual reality experience, this headset is fantastic. If you want to jump straight into VR gaming and entertainment without needing a powerful PC, this is the one to get. It offers next-level hardware for immersive fun. What people say. She doesn't even have to be in front of her TV to play it. Urinan konsulutamen el davranis larina gor tasserlandnis. Erika el aljalama systemi sasin consolar almadan de colonabiliorsinas. En güzel yaninda kablosas de bilgisira baglanabiliorsinas. Unity gibi ayun programlarında proj gelistiriorsinis direct urin and kendi hafızasına sikti yuklayıp şirisi kablosas denayim liabilirsin. Number 2. Meta Quest 2 to 256GB VR headset. Step into a new reality with the Meta Quest 2. This advanced all-in-one virtual reality headset offers an unparalleled immersive experience for users aged 13 and up. Experience seamless and smooth gameplay, even during intense action. Its super-fast processor and high-resolution display bring virtual worlds to life with stunning clarity. Total immersion is at your fingertips. With 3D positional audio, intuitive hand tracking, and responsive haptic feedback, you'll feel truly present in every virtual environment. Dive into a vast and expanding universe with over 250 titles. From thrilling games and fitness apps to social experiences and exclusive releases, there's something for everyone. Travel to distant galaxies, conquer challenging quests, or collaborate in innovative workspaces. Connect with friends and family in incredible social spaces and multiplayer arenas. Enjoy true freedom with a wireless headset, easy setup, and no need for a PC or console. Explore virtual worlds anytime, anywhere. What we like. If you're looking for a VR experience with plenty of space for games and apps, this is it. It offers total immersion with advanced features like hand tracking and haptic feedback. Enjoy wireless freedom and explore a vast library of content. What people say. The headset is comfortable and the display is sharp. The controllers are intuitive and track well. The pass-through feature allows you to see your surroundings without taking off the headset. Number 1. Your Choice Microfiber Cleaning Cloth 6-pack. Introducing our premium microfiber cleaning cloths, designed for all your delicate surfaces. They are lint-free, soft, and reusable for long-lasting use. These cloths are conveniently pocket-sized, measuring 6 by 7 inches. Easily store them in your pocket, case, or handbag for quick cleaning whenever you need it. Our soft material ensures an easy wiping experience. Keep your screens and delicate items clear of smudges, fingerprints, and dust without any scratches or streaks. They are ideal for a wide range of items, including electronics, screens, lenses, glasses, and jewelry. Use them on any delicate surface that needs a thorough clean. This pack includes 6 cloths, individually wrapped to stay clean and organized. You'll receive 2 black, 2 gray, and 2 blue cloths. These cloths are simple to wash and quick to dry. Enjoy a reusable cleaning solution that's always ready when you are. What we like. For keeping all your delicate electronics clean, these cloths are essential. If you need a convenient and safe way to wipe away fingerprints and dust from screens, lenses, or glasses, these are perfect. They are soft, reusable, and won't leave any marks. What people say. The cloths are larger than most, and that is a plus when cleaning both sides of the lens at the same time. Each of the cloths are in their own plastic, resealable sleeve, so it's very easy to keep them protected while taking them with you in your backpack, purse, car glove compartment, etc. This product is wonderful, very thick and soft, effective size, really seems to get smudges off, comes individually wrapped. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.